Welcome. If you're looking to discover new content and connect with fresh creators on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find and use the Explore page on the Instagram app for desktop, following the latest update. Let's get started with the first step. Open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in with your account. The desktop app brings a clean and modern interface, making it easy to navigate and enjoy all of Instagram's features. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a vertical menu with several icons. Look for the Explore icon. It resembles a magnifying glass. This icon is your gateway to discovering new content. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click the Explore icon, you'll be taken straight to the Explore page. This is where Instagram curates a personalized feed just for you, filled with posts, reels, and videos from accounts you don't follow yet, but that match your interests and recent activity. The Explore page is constantly updated, so you'll always find something new and exciting every time you visit. Take a few moments to browse through what's on offer. You'll notice a wide variety of content, from trending topics and viral videos to niche hobbies and lifestyle inspiration. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top of the Explore page. Here, you can type in keywords, hashtags, or account names to dive even deeper into your interests. Remember, the more you interact with posts, by liking, commenting, or sharing, the better Instagram gets at curating content that matches your taste. So don't hesitate to engage with what you find. That's all it takes. Open the Instagram app, click the Explore icon on the left menu, and start browsing a world of personalized content. Enjoy exploring and finding your next favorite account or trend.